Hello everyone, welcome back to the next video. In this video I will show you how to apply scale animations using SwiftUI. So let's get started. So firstly I will show you guys the output. So here I have one image view. If I click on it, here you can see it expands, so the scale expands, and if I click on it again, the scale shrinks to the original size. So let's see how to do this. So I have just created a SwiftUI application. All you have to do is I have created the state just to check whether the image view was clicked or not, and here I have one image. I have added the image inside the assets folder. So this is my image name. Change it to whatever is your image name. I have kept it as resizable frame, as well as I have set some aspect ratio as well, and I have done the clip shape as well of type circle. Then I have applied the scale effect. So if it is selected, then the scale would be 1.5, otherwise the original scale of 1.0. Then on tab gesture, we just do with animation selected dot toggle, so we just toggle this particular value. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.